Namaste friends. Today we will talk about some home remedies for acidity. Nowadays you see this is the December. In December we know our digestive system, because of the sun, our digestive system goes down because sun is not very powerful. So our digestion goes very slow, so we are not able to digest our food properly. So for that we get acidity. For that I will give you some remedies for acidity. To eat little food and on time, this is the main thing. But we hardly get any attention for our body, mind, our timetable of eating. So we eat whenever we feel. In between we eat chips, some Coke, some burger. So it's okay to have sometimes but not regular. So first I'm giving you the remedy for acidity. Just 100 gram of carom seeds, ajwain. If you are taking 100 grams of ajwain, you should take 50 grams of salt powder. That is the dry ginger powder. You can mix it proper. Just roast the ajwain on the pan. Make it little on slow steam with slow flame. After that, mix this ginger powder, little black salt, sanchal, we call it sanchal, and some hing. You know, hing is very good for digestion. Mix all four of them, make a powder, and eat before your lunch. And after eating food also you can take 1 spoon. This is very good for digestion. It's good early morning when you get up from the bed, take 1 spoon of jaggery powder and swallow with hot water, lukewarm water, not very hot, lukewarm water. This is good for digestion, good for cough. And if you don't have powder, you can take one tukda of gur and put in the mouth and just slowly chew with that juice. Slowly you will feel that your acidity is getting better. This is the very effective nuskha. My elder brother, he had so much cough. Every day he was coughing. I told him, just take bhaiya 1 spoon of gur. Now from last 2-3 years I have seen him. He every day in the morning, it is his first ritual to take 1 spoon of gur and taking hot water. To apply it, not only watching the video and listening, it will not help you. So you have to do this. And few tips for your face. For your glowing face, you have to do your facial exercise regular, 5 to 10 minutes. And after doing this, you can apply any kind of the face pack with whatever is available in your fridge, in your kitchen. You don't have to go out to buy any expensive, costly creams and moisturizer. Just take 1 spoon of honey, put little turmeric powder, haldi, pinch of haldi, and mix it and apply on the face for 10 to 15 minutes. After, when you feel that okay, this is now getting dry, take 1 slice of bread, clean with this up like this. You have to take the bread crumbs and wash it with this. Don't go to buy any expensive creams, artificial flavors and all. If any fruits you are eating like papaya, orange, take 1 slice of orange and just make juice, put on the face, natural. You're cooking food, in between take 1 slice of tomato, put little haldi on it and just rub that one slice of tomato on the face. After 10 minutes, when your sabzi is ready, your face is also dried, go and wash your face and see your glowing face. In the night, before sleeping, just take 2 to 3 drops of oil, coconut oil, and just apply on the face. Doing all this is good, but main glow is your happiness. Be happy, be healthy, eat healthy. Okay, thank you very much.